If I have to, continuing to listen to what others have said, if I have to start connecting the dots, I was 10 years old when I went to a music class conducted by Chinmaya Mission. After that, I went to a trip to Himachal Pradesh where we spent a couple nights at Sidbari, knowing nothing about the mission or Gurudev. I probably saw you there, Jagdish, when you were 8 years old. I was doing things which I should not mention here with two other friends. But they were kind enough to keep us at the ashram and very politely told us not to indulge in activities unbecoming of religious destinations. I actually met Gurudev at a friend's wedding. When I say met, I saw him from a distance. And I think at some level there was some connect. My wife started a study class with Vinita ji, and somewhere down the line I was fighting it. It so happened that I am on this journey a little more often than she is now because of her work commitments, but I am grateful to her for that. I am going to speak on, before that, if I could get, Shruti, is it any possible to get a picture of on the Om Antaryamine Namaha. There's a picture that we are trying to put up which has a little correlation to an anecdote which I will attempt to tell you about. The one that says Gurudev. Second one.
Second?
Yeah. Hopefully it will fill up that's the one. Thank you. Many of you might know this, but there are still some of us who are new to this, so I'd like to share this with you. Anjali Singh, an early and ardent devotee, writes about taking a picture of Gurudev in Taiwan. And I quote what she writes. I said, "Don't move, Swamiji." And he replied, "I never do." Reminding me that an immovable essence defines the true nature of each of us. Unquote. On another occasion, during a camp at Sidbari in September 1992, Gurudev had sent for her and showed her an invitation to the World Vision 2000 conference to be held in Washington on August the 7th, 1993, almost 11 months later. Surprised as she was to be told of an event a year later and wondering what was so special about that invitation, he added, "You will have rare photographs to take on that day." Yes, some rare photographs. When his mortal remains reached back upon him attaining Mahasamadhi on August 3rd, she had been given 2 minutes to take pictures before the devotees were allowed, as she had always been taking pictures to document his life and his work. She took 11 pictures in those 2 minutes. In the first photo, which I will draw your attention to, his true presence expressed itself in the form of a single shaft of blue light going towards his eyes. No other picture taken after those first 2 minutes showed a shaft of blue light in the room, as there was none. The other pictures were equally dramatic. 11 months in advance, he had promised her rare photographs on August 7th and also supplied her with his own technical skills, signaling his ultimate awareness, transcending space and time as an Antaryami, the inner controller, the knower of truth. I attempt to say a shlok, Swamiji forgive me. E sata atmanantaryami amrutaha. This is part of an Upanishad. This is the self, this is the internal ruler, this is the immortal reality. On another instance, Swamiji Mitranandji, while explaining the Ashtottara Namavali, remembers how Gurudev constantly identified with his inside whilst living on the outside. Even though he was an Antaryami, he practiced japa at every opportunity he got. Not because he needed it, but as a reminder to all around him that it was the inside was that all that mattered. Swamiji continues to tell us how they learned so much from Gurudev, as all that he shared was from inside, and they could identify with his and one's own divinity. In the book Every Breath, a Teaching, another anecdote is listed where Rajaram, a devotee, wishes to get his copy of the Gita autographed by Gurudev. He signs it by writing, "Be Raja outside, but Ram inside." Do you need any more transformational guidance in life? As Gurudev was known to say, think. Achieve all you can outside, but stay Ram inside. The teacher in him has given us 2 lines to become Sthitaprajna, showing us our path to Antaryami. Hari Om.